Understanding the Retirement Estimator, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful tool for planning your future, the Retirement Estimator. Whether you're years away from retirement or just starting to think about it, understanding how retirement estimators work can be incredibly beneficial. Let's unravel the mystery behind these tools and see how they can help you plan for a comfortable retirement. A retirement estimator is a tool designed to give you an approximation of how much money you'll have when you retire. It takes into account various factors such as your current age, income, savings rate, expected retirement age, and other financial details. By inputting this information, the estimator provides you with an estimate of your retirement income based on your current financial situation and savings plan. Understanding the importance of planning for retirement cannot be overstated. A retirement estimator helps by providing clarity on your financial future, helping you set realistic savings goals, allowing you to adjust your plans based on different scenarios, giving you a sense of security and preparedness for your retirement years. Retirement estimators consider several key factors to provide you with an accurate estimate. These include current savings, how much money you have saved up for retirement so far, annual income, your yearly earnings from all sources, savings rate, the percentage of your income that you save each year for retirement, investment returns, the expected return on your investments before retirement, retirement age, the age at which you plan to retire, life expectancy, an estimate of how long you will live in retirement, affecting how long your savings need to last. To get the most out of a retirement estimator, follow these steps. 1. Gather your financial information, including current savings, income, and expenses. 2. Be realistic about your savings rate and expected retirement age. 3. Experiment with different scenarios, such as changing your retirement age or savings rate, to see how they impact your retirement outlook. 4. Use the results to inform your retirement planning and adjust your financial strategies as necessary. We hope this video has shed some light on what a retirement estimator is and how it can be a valuable tool in your retirement planning arsenal. Remember, the sooner you start planning, the better prepared you'll be to enjoy your retirement years to the fullest. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more insights and tips on managing your finances effectively. Happy planning!